It's amazing to think about how God can work through each of us individually to share His love with others in our daily lives. You and I, in our own social circles, can absolutely be a light. But imagine for a moment the incredible power when an entire faith community comes together. When we unite with shared purpose and passion, God can amplify our efforts in ways we can barely comprehend. A collective group of believers, all seeking His guidance, becomes an unstoppable force for good, reaching far more people and making a much bigger impact than any one of us ever could alone. There's real power in that unity.